Yo, have you seen these AI generated Barbie pictures popping up all over social media? You can take a picture of yourself and turn it into a Barbie. And I'm going to show you how to do it without spending a single dollar using ChatGPT. You can find a prompt in the description, so check it out. You can use a free ChatGPT account. That's what I'm going to be using for this demo. By the way, my name is Tas, an AI enthusiast, and my goal is to help beginners to use AI in a daily life. And this is a trend that kind of appeared from the action figure trend. And I have a great video about that. So check it out, link in the description. You can do this on your phone if you prefer. I'm going to do it on my computer. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT window. Again, this is a free account, so that you can see exactly what you're going to see when you do this yourself. You do need a picture of yourself. It could be a selfie, a portrait, it doesn't really matter. That's what ChatGPT is going to use as a base for a Barbie picture. Click this plus button and upload from the computer. Or you can just drag and drop your picture. This time I'm not going to be using my picture, but we're gonna use this lady. Once it's uploaded, you can type in the prompt. So here is an example of the prompt you could use for it. And keep in mind, you can do anything you want and you can type whatever you want, play around with it. So here is the prompt. It's quite long, so we're not going to be focusing on all of it, but I'm highlighted in yellow what type of things that you can change. So first thing is like what you're holding in the hands. You can either remove it completely or just change the object. Second thing is accessories. For example, you have a different work, so you can just change the accessories that you're going to have, and it's gonna appear on the right side of the image. And then you just need to change your name. And that's it. Okay, so now that we have a picture and the prompt, I just paste it in. We're going to use the submit button and wait for the results. Usually it takes a little bit of time, like 2-3 minutes, so I'm going to skip this part. So here you can see the results. Pretty cool, right? Remember, you can always modify the image if you don't like it. It's quite easy to modify and remove objects from the picture. And if we take a look at the original image, look, it does even have the same dress, which is super impressive. However, I would say the more time you spend changing the pictures, the less it's going to look like the original version of this image. And you need to remember that in free version of ChatGPT you can have only free generation that you can make in 24 hours. Yo, let me know in the comment below if this prompt worked out for you. And watch my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one.